about to prep my skin for makeup because I'm about to go out, but I want to use this opportunity to show you guys how I prep my skin, moisturize and all those before makeup. So first I start with my moisturizer. So I take this one. I really love this moisturizer. I have been using it now for a while and I have to say I loved it. It's amazing on the skin. I just applied this all over my face and my hands are clean. So after moisturizing my skin, I went ahead and washed my hands so to prevent me not having any of that skin oil on my face. I like to go down my neck with this product. I like to really rub it into my skin. So what I do is just close this one, put it aside, and I like to let my skin breathe in. Normally I have something that I normally use to fan my face. Okay, I have this I use it to fan my face for a couple of minutes because this is a video, so I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. So yeah, leave this on for a couple of minutes and then I go in with this serum. This one I take only 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. 3 is more than enough. I rub this into my skin and I just press this onto my skin. It's like a pressing motion. I really love this product. It's amazing. And I like to do that. Also, just rub whatever is on my hand. I just rub that on my neck. Like really go in my neck. So we're gonna allow this one to also soak into the skin. Excuse the kids in the background, yeah, because we're all going out and they are ready waiting for me because I get the kids ready first. So you guys, I like to really fan this, allow it to dry. This is how I prep my skin. Because when it comes to makeup, when it comes to having flawless makeup, it all starts with the base. The skin is the base. So you got to make sure you prep your skin very well, and you have a really nice simple skincare routine. You don't have to have a bunch of expensive products or use what everybody is using on the market. Find something that works for you. I have been using some skincare product now for a very long time that I have been consistent with, for those of you who follow me on my channel. So this brand is just something new that I'm trying, and so far I am in love with it. So far I really loved it. So now that the serum has dried, we're now getting into the summer. So it's very good you always have an SPF on your skin. I use SPF even when it's not summer. I use it all year round, summer, winter, fall, whatever it is, I use SPF. So I really love using my SPF. So with my SPF, I like to just take a little bit on my hand like that, because this one I like to go in like, I like to do like a, yes, it's quite a lot because we're in the summer. The sun is shining. The weather is beautiful. I'm also filming with daylight, so if the light is changing. And one thing I love about this sun protective cream, as soon as you rub it into your skin, just a couple of minutes later, it's just absorbed into the skin perfectly. It doesn't leave any white residue on your face. It just melts into the skin perfectly, and that's one thing I love about this sun protective cream. So I just rub this, and it has this really beautiful smell. I like to bring this down to my neck because my neck is also exposed. I do have some sunscreen for my body, which is this container. As you guys can see, I'm almost here. So when I'm exposing my skin to the sun, I make sure I moisturize this. I moisturize with this particular one. You can use this one also for your face and for your skin, but that one I keep it only for when I know, okay, I'm exposing my entire body, and I'll use that on my body. So yeah, so now we're gonna allow this sunscreen to just soak into the skin. Normally when I'm just doing my skincare, when I'm not doing makeup video, I kind of like to, when I'm not doing video showing you guys right now, I kind of like to leave the products to in between one or 2 minutes in between before applying the next one, so just that the product absorb into my skin before applying the next one. Excuse those kids in the background. So now that this is done, I like to fan it down. This is just something I like to do extra. And now I like to go in with my lavender and rose water. This is just an extra, okay? I really love this when I all of these things, and then I go in with my foundation. I don't know, since I've been using this one doing my makeup, I tried it once. I'm like, let me just spray my face, allow it to dry, just lock everything in, and then later go in with my makeup. My skin was beautiful. My makeup lasted for super long time. So I tried it once and I loved it, and since then I have been trying it. So I like to always shake it. It's lavender and rose water, and now I'm just going to spray my face. You can hear my kids in the background. So I really like to soak my face with this. So now we're going to leave this one to dry, and then I'm going to moisturize my lip. Yeah. Reasons why I don't like to film when the girls are at home, because you don't have a quiet house. You're going to always have the girls running around, making noise, and all of that. So now that I'm done, I'm going to allow this to dry, and after this I'll jump into doing my makeup and getting my eyebrow and drawing in my eyebrow and all the rest. So this is how I prep my skin before my makeup, but this one, I'm going to allow this one to dry properly before ever going in with any makeup. So yeah, this is how I prep my skin. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box, and see you guys in my next video.